want you to do is to balance it side to side when you tip on here, right?
Alright, I'll try.
And tell me which direction to go.
Well, you're in the right spot for that hole, but we need to spin it.
Alright. Okay, now you gotta go up a little bit.
Right up.
Basically. That one's gonna be harder. we're gonna cut that one off a little bit. We're gonna put one nail in it.
Oh, my pocket is really tiny on the wall.
Okay, that's big.
Shouldn't wish my original closet was what, of this size?
Yeah, it was a standard closet for a standard bedroom.
Is that it? Is it in?
One nail.
Yeah?
Well, yeah, because we have to make sure all these walls are plumb.
Oh,
Right?
meaning what?
Plumb meaning vertical, completely vertical. You know, level vertical.
Okay, for level, okay? Yeah, see, that's a nice straight cut.
Oh yeah.
90-degree angle right there.
Hell yeah.
I didn't have that one. I can't think of anything else to say.
Alrighty. Good boss. Equal balance.
Trying.
It's gotta go pretty high over there, let's do that one.
No? Maybe we can lift it. Yeah.
Come on. Did you try that? Like that.
High five! Too far away.
That's a productive day right there. A lot of walls got built today. A lot of walls got tilted up into place. They're not plumb yet. They're held up with one nail up in the top going to the outside wall and then some screws in the bottom. Some of those lag bolt things that you put in the bottom. So we've still got to put the sheathing up on the outside walls and plumb those, and then we'll come through and take that one nail out of the inside walls and we'll plumb the inside walls up and nail those in. So everything's plumb and square and looks good. But for now, they're all hanging up there the way they need to be. There's one wall, one little wall that goes between that post right there and the master bathroom wall. And we'll wait to build that one until we get that post in place, which should be in the next couple days. I think I'm gonna do the sheathing next so it strengthens up the outside walls, and then I'll put these middle posts in and get ready for that center beam to go in. That will be a chore. That center beam being two pieces, 6 by 12, 24 foot long each piece. Those are heavy ones. But I think if I get a couple ladders here and make some scaffolding and just kind of lift it up one at a time, little by little, I think it'll go all right. I think I'm gonna call it a day. We still got a little bit of daylight out here, but my wife and myself worked pretty hard today. Got all these walls built and tilted up into place. That's a lot more walls than we got tilted up in one day. But those outside walls are a lot heavier. We could actually pick these up by hand. We didn't have to use a backhoe, so it went a little quicker. But we'll go for a walk, enjoy some of our property, get something to eat, relax a little bit. I think we've got a lot done. Until next time, guys, go make something.